Hello, my name is Rizwan Ye. In this video, I'll be demonstrating my honors project. Basically, my honors project combines a machine learning model, which is the decision tree, with an explainable AI model to output some explanation to the end user. And basically, I built it in a way to help the end user understand more about the result of a machine learning model. So this type of things is just to demonstrate how XAI can be deployed in the real world. So what we see here is just the homepage of my website. I designed this using Streamlit, so we'll just go walk through just everything that we see here. So a title, a button to go to learn application, just some context, because a lot of banks these days are using a lot of complex models to determine whether or not someone is approved or declined a loan. So these are just the type of models they're doing is quite complex. And this is just a general diagram of what we see here in the real world. So someone applies a loan, the bank does some calculation, is rejected, but the end user, some directors, stakeholders, they want to know why this guy was declined the loan. So this is where my XAI bank can be quite helpful in a way to show to the real world how it works. So just to mention about technology that I use, there's decision tree, there's a Lime interpretive model, a rated chart visualization, a GPT for all language model. This is the Orca Mini, and it's just Streamlit for design. So you can find this all in my GitHub, and also my supervisor for this project was Shoujin Wang from Honest Project, and previously it was Jianlong Zhou. So we'll go to the application here. There is a navigation bar, so I'll just click on the button here, and it is loading. So before we can get the actual output, we need to pass in some information to run to the backend. So I'll just try and make this an easy loan here. So just some simple information just for it to run, and basically it says that it has been approved. So one of the main reasons why is because of the loan amount, the applicant income, and the loan term amount. So based on this visualization, it's just a simple one just to get the end user to understand just a holistic overview of what they can see here. So you see here there is also like the feature importance score. So I can show that basically the darker color is like not very significant to the application for approved rate, and the brighter color it is, the more significant it is affecting their loan approval rate. So as an end user, when they see something like this, they will see that maybe they want to like stay at this loan amount. They don't want a high loan amount. Also, they might want to like increase the income to get a better loan amount, and they might want to see, okay, maybe I want to loan for a longer term to get this more of a successful approval rate. So in the real world, banks don't really show this much information. They normally just say it's been declined or has been approved. So this is just a holistic overview, and so we'll just see there's the language model explanation here. So so it just gives them just a very basic understanding. So you can see sometimes there is hallucinations involved in this type of explanation as well, because just the way how the language model is designed. So so it just gives a very basic overview of how the loan has been approved declined. So this type of explanation is tailored to the end user, and it gives them an overview of how it works. So basically for my prompt that I used here, I just passed it through, like explain the outcome and pass in the the prediction label and pass in the explanation list, which is how much like the feature score is, and basically this just shows to the end user like how they can understand better of this type of result of their application. So thank you for watching my video.